Namaste everyone. As we all know that our country is getting badly, it's getting worstly affected by this coronavirus, and the cases are increasing every day, every minute. The cases are rising. There are no there's this shortage of beds, the shortage of oxygen cylinders. The patients are not getting the treatment and they're dying. And there are various reasons to it. Today everybody's that hot debates going on, that why it has happened, and who did it. Some are blaming the government, some is blaming the Kumbh Mela, some are blaming the political parties, the rallies, whatever, the elections that were going on. But this video is all about is not about actually what has happened, but what we can do right now. How can we stop disseminating it, or how can we stop spreading this virus? And for that, the one and only thing to stop this virus spreading, the one and the only thing that we need to do is stop being ignorant. Trust me, this is the only thing that we need to do right now. And it is wisely said by somebody, it is wisely said by someone, that there is no bigger, there is no greater sin than being ignorant. And today what we all are doing right now is just being ignorant of the fact that this virus is actually killing people. People are actually dying, that it's actually very dangerous. It is no fun, or it is ये कोई मजाक की बात नहीं है. We are actually, I feel very sad and sorry for the fact that for people it has become that people are dying, they're getting infected, they're catching this virus and everything. It has become, the people dying has become a matter of joke, or it has become some kind of a mazak for. So the one and only thing that we need to do right now is that stop being ignorant. Stop being ignorant. It is wisely said by somebody that there is no greater sin, there is no bigger, greater sin than being ignorant. Right? And today what we are doing is we are becoming just ignorant. We have become ignorant of the fact that coronavirus is actually killing people. People are dying. It is dangerous. We have become negligent, and we are just completely ignoring it. We need to understand this one fact. That ये 2 मिनट का मज़ा है ना जो हमारा, this 2 मिनट का मज़ा is becoming saza for a lot of people. It is actually, people are literally going through shit and you have no idea what they are going through. Especially the one who are just going outside and roaming here and there aimlessly for no fucking reason, because they are bored at home. See, your boredom is costing someone his life, his or her life. Somebody who's the only person who's earning bread and butter for their family, they're dying just because of your maza. Are you getting this? This is very serious. So please, it is a request, get yourself vaccinated, get yourself, your family members vaccinated. And understand this one thing, that neither your Wordsworth nor the times are such कि you're wandering aimlessly like Wordsworth, and you're partying and you're having fun, because you are actually putting your life, the life of your family members and the people around you at risk. They might die. You never know. It can be a father, mother, sister, brother, you also. So this is the time when you need to be selfish and selfless at the same time. How selfish? That you have to think about yourself, right? Be selfish and think about yourself, think about your family. And selfless, how? At the same time, you have to think about the people outside. See, I have always seen, no matter what happens in our country, I have always seen people just talking and talking about the government, what the government is doing, and what, our fundamental rights are. And this is, what the government is doing, what the country is doing for us as the citizens of this country. These are our rights. But today, the time has come when we must and we should start talking about and we start fulfilling our duties as the citizens of this country. See, गवर्नमेंट और देश से हम बहुत फ़ायदा निकालते हैं, जायज़ नाजायज़ दोनों निकालते हैं. अब समय है कि आपके देश को, आपके देशवासियों को आपकी ज़रूरत है. और उस ज़रूरत को आप कैसे पूरी कर सकते हैं? सिर्फ अपना ख्याल रख के, अपने आप को सेफ रख के, अपने परिवार को सेफ रख के और अपने आसपास के लोगों को सेफ रख के. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ एक मास्क पहनना है. So be the responsible citizens of our country. Be the responsible citizens of our country and take all the responsibilities on your shoulder. And just think about those. Actually, I would say, just think about those people who just cannot afford to sit back at home and earn bread and butter for themselves. Just think about those vendors and those सब्जी वाला भैया, ये जो सब्जी वाले भैया हैं, मज़दूर हैं, ये देखो घर पे बैठ के इनका काम नहीं चल सकता. इनके घर पे रोटी नहीं आएगी अगर ये घर से बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. और देश भी, आप लॉकडाउन लगा देंगे कम्प्लीटली, देश में दोबारा लॉकडाउन लग जाएगा तो जितना बुरा हाल इकोनॉमी का पिछले साल हुआ है उतना दोबारा हो जाएगा. जितना सत्यानाश बच्चों का ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हो रहा है उतना दोबारा होएगा, और वो हो रहा है. तो जो लोग, those of you like who can afford to sit back at home and earn bread and butter for themselves, who are getting salary every month, please just sit back at home and think about those people who just cannot afford to sit back at home. And just for once just think about those patients, those patients who are already having serious medical issues. There are patients, there are transplant patients, there are patients suffering from various other diseases, the terrible diseases. They're in terrible conditions because of you people, because of you negligent, ignorant people. They are not getting their treatments. Their life is at a higher risk than that of yours. Think about that. He's somebody's father, somebody's mother, किसी का बच्चा. Just think about them. Just for once think about them and stay at home. Please stay at home. बाहर निकले तो मास्क पहने. एंड ये जो यूपीएससी मेंस टाइप के जो वीडियो आ रहे हैं, जो अधिकारों की बात कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ अपनी लक्ष्मीकांत खोलें और उसमें अपने फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़, अपने कर्तव्य, अपने मौलिक कर्तव्यों का एक बार चैप्टर पढ़ें और प्लीज़ चैन से रहें और चैन से दुनिया को रहने दें और चैन से देशवासियों को रहने दें. धन्यवाद.